Hi friends, I'm Rajnikant. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Sumant Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear guys, today I'm going to dictate long answer question for English 11th class snapshots chapter 3rd Ranga's marriage. These are the extra questions. Let's begin with the question 1. What type of a boy Ranga was before and after getting education in Bangalore? Have you found any change in him? Why or not? Dear guys, its answer. Ranga was an accountant's son in the village. He was as simple as the others there. Before going to Bangalore, he was a boy with feelings overflowing from the heart. After getting education, when he returned, the village body waited to see him and check him whether he had changed or not. The narrator found no change in him as far as regards and respects for the elders were concerned. He was a qualified bachelor with a notion that one should marry a girl. Ranga was a man down to the earth. He was stuck still to his traditions and customs. He did not come wearing Janevra in the neck and touch the elders' feet on feeling them. Moreover, he used to say namaskar to everybody who came to his house. He was spiritually sound. He still believed in religious ceremonies and even in the stars, etc. Ranga alias Rangappa is the mirror to other people in the village. Now question 2. The villagers of Hosahali are a flock of sheep following blindly one after the other. Elucidate. Dear friends, its answer. The village Hosahali is a small village in Mysore. It has not been trapped by any geographer or sahibs in England. They do not bother to place it on the map. The villagers are innocent, docile, and stuck to their traditional values. They do not want to send their younglings to the cities, but they are not illiterate. Some of them can speak English words, but they love their language Kannada very much. When Ranga returned from the Bangalore, they rushed to his doorstep to know whether he had changed or not. An old lady who was near him ran her hand over his chest, looked into his eyes, and said that the Janevra was still there. It showed their peace, loving, easy to go nature and even simplicity. As soon as they realized that Ranga was still the same as he was 6 months ago, they dispersed. Only human people can do so. Dear guys, question 3. How did the narrator plan to Ranga get married with Ratna? Was he successful? Explain. Dear friends, its answer. Ranga returned to the village after getting study in Bangalore. The narrator felt attracted towards him when he touched his feet with folded hands and said Namaskar. He determined to get Ranga married soon. Ramarao brought her niece to the village. Her parents had died earlier. The narrator found a good match in Ratna. He planned to make them united. One day he invited Ranga deliberately to his house when Ratna was singing a song. Ratna felt attracted towards her. Ranga felt attracted towards her. The narrator tutored Shastri to make Ranga believe that Ratna would be a good match to him. He spread the net and caught Ranga in with his wits and feelings. Both Ranga and Ratna got married later on. The narrator was successful in making them tie in a knot. Dear friends, it was all for today. Hope you must have liked this video. If you have liked it, please press the like button and do subscribe my channel in order to get the recent notifications of more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.